What's up, guys?
Hi guys,
Welcome back to my channel. So this week we have a special video. I know you guys are used to seeing us trying snacks, but we're coming with something different, okay? So we've never had African food before, and tonight we're going to try it.
yeah,
Right here we have some fufu,
comfort.
some goat soup, and mommy has peanut soup. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay? Alright.
So,
I'm ready.
question.
Yeah.
How me know what kind of meat me I eat? No one no lion and no kind of fat.
We don't eat lions. Okay,
I
mommy?
know Jamaican food.
So
African.
it's our roots. Okay? Yes, guys, so it's not Nigerian African food. This is actually from Ghana. Ghana African food. So wait, hold on.
Bless the first.
Amen. And guys, listen. You don't use
Me know
fork
so you know
and
use
spoon
fork and
for this,
spoon,
okay?
alright? But
Listen, you
Babs.
gotta go like this. Get that right there, and then you gotta dip it,
struggles is real.
and then
Father God.
yes.
Anything happen to Miss Claudette daughter, blame Katie and please and thanks.
Oh no, it's good. It's spicy.
You kind of
It has a spicy kick to it, but it's really good. I don't even know what's in there, but
okay, so the peanut soup, it actually has goat meat in it, but
there's
it's
so
not
much.
spicy.
It has a little kick, but it's not too spicy. This is the goat soup. Yeah. But it got so much flavor. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, it has a lot of flavor. It's amazing.
That one is better than this one here. This one does not have all the spice and all that.
Let me try it. The goat soup is better than this. So this one is not bad, but
yeah, but there's more flavor to the goat soup than the peanut soup. I don't know, maybe because we like spicy, I prefer the spicy.
Yeah. It's good, but I prefer
I prefer the goat
soup. Yeah.
But for people who really don't go for spicy, the peanut one is the best one for you. It's good though.
Wait, this is how you gotta do it. This is how I see it in the movies, okay? You do this, and then they go. Wait, may I show you? Then they go like this, and go so. That's how I see it in the movie.
I'm stuff on my finger down my throat, you know. I'm not doing that. And honestly, guys, I'm trying to protect the nails. I cannot afford to stain it. Don't do that.
Why are you on my side?
Because mine does not have the spice to it.
Put some pepper in there.
It's not gonna taste the same.
I'm saying, you know, you go to jail for Alright.
For eating out your food.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, don't come back on this side. I mean,
It is good though.
it's really good.
I really don't know what this is, what I'm eating here, but
So,
whatever makes it, I don't know.
you know that peanut That peanut soup is really good too. Like I think it probably takes a little while to get used to it, but it's really good.
Yeah, because it's goat meat in it
So
too.
when I really dipped it just now and tried it, that's good. But I think the fufu, I think it might be cassava.
I'm gonna be honest with you all. Whatever fufu is, I don't
It's
know.
good.
It's the first time eating it.
It's a little sticky. I think it might taste.
It's a little sticky. It really does have a flavor to it. When you dip it in the soup, that's when you get flavor. But
Yeah, it doesn't really taste like mashed potatoes, but close.
yeah,
Close.
yeah.
Or
Because when I just saw it, I thought it
don't-
was like some mashed potatoes.
a
but-
really soft dumpling. Now it's sticky. No, it definitely does have a mashed potato taste to it.
Mhm.
A little bit, but you can tell it's not no mashed potatoes. This is good.
Some of me not know peanut in our soup. What peanut is?
It's
Blend.
they blended the peanut. Yeah, I
You
have
did
no
it with
idea.
them a cookie. Oh.
Well, I'm trying to tell you because it's my roots,
Okay.
so I know these things.
Okay.
Guys, if you've never had African food before, we should try it. Big ups to Bree for this one.
Yep.
If it wasn't for Bree, it'd probably be a little while before we got to go buy this, but it's really good.
And don't tell me something for you spoon, okay?
She just violated every
I am
rule.
using my spoon. I'm not going to mess my nails up.
She is violating every rule in the book. You're supposed to use your hands.
I
That's
use my hands. I just use the
that's the
spoon to
beauty
get the
of
meat
it.
out of it.
Okay, can I borrow the spoon to get my meat?
Jesus have mercy.
I'm gonna taste the goat because I just realized I
Come on,
haven't tried that
yours.
part.
Come on, go Africa.
Mm.
Sonny, I'm taking you with me when I'm going, okay, girl? We're going to Africa together.
I know.
Look here, stop watching my hand.
Mommy, you take the biggest piece of goat out of me.
Oh my goodness gracious, look at that.
You know, she searched my thing for the biggest piece of goat and took it. I feel some type of way. Listen, I'm on camera, but I will cry for food.
Oh, she feels some type of way.
One piece of yours, PTSD.
Sure.
But I definitely, the goat is filled with flavor.
Yeah.
Like besides curry goat and soup, I haven't really had goat like this, but it's really good. There's so much flavor in there. It's crazy. It's just popping. Literally, the flavor is just, you know. Let me try yours.
May I use my hand?
Let me try yours.
Why not Brie use her hand when she could have eat? I didn't use spoon.
Bree and Caroline, tell us below if y'all use your hands when you go there, or you use a spoon
Some
like Mommy
silverware.
been doing.
Mommy just use it to get the meat, okay? I'm using my hands.
It's good.
Yeah.
And it's so tender. I need to go to Africa
Just for the food?
just for the food.
I need the rice now.
Oh, the jollof rice? Oh yeah, I want to try that. This is good. Okay, guys.
Yeah, thumbs up.
So, it's definitely a pass for this. This food is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I didn't know this is what I've been missing this whole time. I've always been talking about trying African food, but never got the chance to try it. But this stuff is really good. So good, make you want to slap your mama. Okay. No, that's okay, guys. So this is the end of the video because I want to go and enjoy this. So let me know what y'all think below. It's
It's finger licking good.
literally finger licking good.
Mhm.
But yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and oh, actually, one more thing before I go. So there's a song that's gonna be in the background of this one. It's "Life Take a Turn" from Real V.I. Let me tell you something. That song is amazing. So I was on Instagram one day, and I saw Pink Walk posted a song from Real V.I. and I started checking out his music. And that man got some great songs. I absolutely love his music. So you'll find all the information to his Vivo and stuff in the description. But that check out the song for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. But until next time, bye.
Love you guys.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All the love in the world to you guys, and we definitely
You all need to have some
appreciate-
African food.
We definitely appreciate you guys always showing support.
Yep.
We love it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.